What are the stages of root canal treatment? When some tooth decay is not treated in time, it progresses along the tooth and can reach the jawbone from the tooth root. The tooth can be saved by applying root canal treatment to this type of caries. Let's move on to the stages one by one and briefly. One session of root canal treatment is a procedure that takes approximately 1 hour. Root canal treatment may consist of one or more sessions depending on the condition of the tooth. Detection of the problematic tooth by taking radiography, anesthetizing the tooth and surrounding tissues with regional anesthesia, isolating the tooth from surrounding tissues, preparation of the endodontic cavity for entry into root canals, determination of working length using electronic devices and confirmation by radiography, reshaping of the root canal space, destroying microorganisms with various root canal disinfectants when using rotary instrument systems in root canals. Cleaning the root canal space. When starting root canal treatment, if the tooth is not alive, wait a certain period of time with a root canal antiseptic and fill the root canals at the next meeting. After root canal treatment, the tooth is cut off from the surrounding tissues to prevent the infection from occurring again and to repair any damage to the surrounding tissues of the tooth. Sealing of root canals. For this, a conical tipped rubber material called gutta percha is inserted into each of the canals and glued into place, usually with cement. Sometimes, a metal or plastic rod may also be placed inside the channel for structural support. In this procedure, at least 2 radiographs are taken from the tooth. In some cases, this number may increase. Following root canal treatment, especially after treatment of living teeth, the tooth may be sore for a few days or pain may occur when pressing on the tooth. This is a normal pain that occurs after root canal treatment. With some protection of the root canal treated tooth, this pain disappears in a short time. Today, the success rate of root canal treatments with the correct treatment method is around 90%. This video is for informational purposes only. We would like to emphasize the importance of consulting with your dentist to determine which treatment is most suitable for you. If you find our videos informative, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Wishing you healthy days.